Welcome to my channel Learn, Grow and Rise. Hope all are doing well. Today we will start a new topic of class 10th ICSE chemistry, that is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is a chapter 2 in your ICSE syllabus. So without wasting your time, let us discuss what we will read in the series 1 of the chemical bonding. We will discuss introduction, definition of bond, types of bond, what is chemical bonding, causes of bonding, octet and duet rule, how do atoms combine, types of chemical bonding. Now let us discuss what is a bonding. Bonding is nothing but it is a force of attraction that exists between the substances. When you have the friendship with your friends, friendship is a attraction between two persons when they like each other. Like this, atoms attract towards each other, then they form the molecule, and molecule combine to form the compound. So you can see here when the two elements A and B, they attract towards each other with a force of attraction and they form a bond. When they do not attract, that is known as a breaking of the bond. When after bonding, when they don't attract, when the force of attraction breaks, then it is known as the breaking of bond. Now let us discuss the types of bonding. Basically, there are two types of bonding. One is a physical bonding, another is a chemical bonding. What is physical bonding? Physical bonding is a weak force of attraction. For example, hydrogen bond is present between the water molecule. The water molecule attract with each other by the weak force of attraction, that is hydrogen bond. Then second is example is your van der Waals attraction. Van der Waals attraction you can find between the gases. Gases you can observe in gaseous molecule. The gaseous molecules have very less force of attraction or very weak force of attraction between each other. And that weak force of attraction is known as a van der Waals force of attraction. Then dipole-dipole interaction. When two molecules, they come, the one negative part of the molecule attracts the other nucleus of another molecule and it forms the dipole-dipole interaction. But in your class 10th chemistry, all these things are not in your syllabus. Now let us discuss what is a chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is a strong force of attraction. It exists between the atoms of the molecule. For example, ionic bond or electrovalent bond, covalent bond or molecular bond, coordinate bond or dative bond, and metallic bond. These are types of chemical bonding. Now let us discuss what is a chemical bonding, because we need to concentrate on chemical bonding as per our syllabus. The chemical bonding is nothing but attractive force that holds two or more atoms together in a molecule or in an ion. For example, you can see here water molecule. In water molecule, you can see the oxygen atom and the hydrogen atom. They attract or they attach with each other by a force of attraction, and that is your chemical bonding. Which type of chemical bonding exists here? It is the covalent bond exists between the hydrogen atom and the oxygen atom. But the water molecule, each water molecule can attract with each other by the form of a hydrogen bond or weak force of attraction, and this is the existence of the physical bonding. Another example here I have taken, that is carbonate ion. Carbonate ion also you can see the oxygen atom and the carbon atom, they attract with each other by the weak force of attraction, by the strong force of attraction, and that is your chemical bonding. Now let us discuss Why do atoms bond together? What is the need of the atoms to bond together? The first point is that to attain stability, to form molecule, to attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration, to manage the energy level, to complete the octet. Children, each thing or everything in the universe, they want to attain the stability. When you people have more energy, then you will not stable, you will move here and there. But when you become tired, you want stability, you want to take rest. Like this, atom also wants stability. And what is the another reason for forming the bond? The atoms want stability, they form the bond, they hold each other, they join each other by the force of attraction to form the molecule. Now question comes, how atom will get the stability? The atom will get the stability by completing its octet. If you see in the periodic table, noble gases attain the maximum stability. That's why they do not form any bond. So, why the noble gases are stable? Let's know. We will discuss here the octet rule or rule of stability. Noble gases are the most stable elements in the periodic table. What is the cause of the stability of the noble gases? Stability of the noble gases are due to the arrangement of its valence electron. This is very important. The valence electron in the noble gases, they arrange so that it will not take part in the bond formation further. Each noble gases have 8 electrons in their valence cell, except helium, which has only 2 electrons in its valence cell. Lewis explained that the non-reactive nature of the noble gases by establishing the octet and the duet rule. Now let us know what is octet rule. Atoms tend to achieve nearest noble gas configuration by making their outermost electron 8 while bond formation. If any element, they form 8 electron in its outermost cell and they attain the nearest noble gas configuration, they become stable. They do not want to take part further in the bond formation. That's why when the elements get 8 electrons in their valence cell, they become stable, and that is known as the octet rule. But there are some elements, they cannot get 8 electrons in their outermost cell, but they can get only 2 electrons in their outermost cell. So if the elements, they have only 2 electrons in their outermost cell, they also become stable. They also attain the stability, and due to this, they cannot take part, or they do not want to take part further in the bond formation. And this is the rule of the octet, and this is the rule of the duet. Now take the example of the oxygen atom. Oxygen electronic configuration is your oxygen. The oxygen have atomic number 8 and electronic configuration is 2 and 6. So when it has only 6 electrons in its outermost cell, it is not stable. Then oxygen oxygen can get 2 more electrons from other element. When it gains 2 more electrons from other element, it become O-2, and the configuration, the electronic configuration become 2, 8, and the atomic number becomes 10, and it attains the electronic configuration of the neon, and it becomes stable. From which oxygen gains 2 electrons, oxygen has tendency to form the bond with that element. And that is the reason of the bond formation. Now, how do atoms combine? Atoms can combine following two ways, either by transferring the electron or by sharing the electrons. For example, if oxygen atom wants to get two electrons from oxygen, another oxygen atom, but they don't have, but if suppose this oxygen atom has the electronic configuration 2,6 and this oxygen atom has the electronic configuration 2,6, and if they want to attain the nearest noble gas configuration, how they will do? If this oxygen atom will give two electrons to this oxygen atom atom become 2,8. But what happens to this oxygen atom? And the second oxygen atom, it will become 2 and 4. So that this oxygen atom cannot stable. Then how both the oxygen atom will get the stability? Now let's see. This the oxygen atom, the first oxygen atom have the electronic configuration 2,6 and the second oxygen atom have the electronic configuration 2,6. So what they do? They just share their outermost electron with each other. This is the electron of second oxygen atom. Now this oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its outermost shell, so 2 to 4 to 6, and this is 2 to 4 to 6. Now let us count the oxygen electrons present in the outermost shell. Now this is 6 plus this 2 because this 2 electron is shared by both the oxygen atom. So atom can combine by transferring completely the electron or by sharing their electron between the other atom, between them. On the basis of the how the atom combine, we have different type of chemical bond. We have ionic bond or electrovalent bond. We have covalent bond or molecular bond. We have coordinate bond or dative bond, and we have metallic bond. But children, in your syllabus, you have only 3 types of bond: ionic, covalent, and coordinate bond. But we will discuss one by one in my next series video. So please keep watching and do not forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.